And this is the video that I'm going to refer people to when they ask me that from now on. I've had a lot of discussion about when to prune out the canes, completely take them out. And some people say, do I take them out at the end of the year? Do I take... No. Take them out when they're dead. I don't know whether people just aren't watching my older pruning videos, or whether I just haven't made myself clear. I don't know. But when a cane, no matter what time of the year it is, don't completely prune out at the ground, pull out any cane unless it is dead. Dead. Brittle. Dead. You still got canes growing here, new canes. That's an old cane. Take that out. It's produced berries. You can see the berry remnants on it. And that's a candidate for getting pruned completely out. This one is also. I don't have my big pruners with me, so I'm not going to be able to take out the main cane there. We'll just have to, let me look at it. But see, dead, crisp, I mean dead. That's the ones you take out, whether it be in the fall or in the summertime after they produce berries, because that's what's going to happen. They're going to produce berries on last year's canes in the spring, and then they're going to die. The canes are going to die. This is a big cane. I don't know whether these little... Oh, I'm going to be able to get them with that. Yeah. This cane is... Let me stand up. This cane is 3 or 4 feet long. I'm hitting the camera. But I just want to show you just how dead that thing is. That is dead. Dead. This cane here is dead. But when you reach in there, be careful and don't hit a cane behind it that's alive. So kind of look where you're pruning. Be careful. Don't just go in there looking at the bottom of them either, because the bottoms can be deceiving. You can have a little rust, little disease or something on the bottom of these canes, and they can look pretty bad. But it's a viable cane. So trace it down. Find the dead cane up here. Trace it down before you cut it out. I should have brought my big pruning shears down here, but I didn't know I was going to do this. Take that out. So, the moral of the story, I'm going to have to get my bigger shears to cut that off. But the moral of the story is, don't take out any cane that is not dead. I mean, dead. Now, if it's diseased and you want to take it out, you can. I seldom, I can't even remember doing it. I may have in the past, but I very seldom take out anything that is diseased. I just spray it with some liquid cop and hope for the best. It's got some grass in it, some weeds in it. Be careful when you're pulling weeds, you're not pulling up viable canes too. But anyway, this cane will come out all the way down to here or below. But for right now, I'll just take it off right there, because I think that's about as large as I'm going to be able to cut with these little pruners. But it's dead. It's obviously dead. So that is how you prune out. I'm not talking about pruning, seasonal pruning that you do starting in the spring, go through the summer doing some seasonal pruning. And I'll do a video on seasonal pruning, hopefully in the next week or two, on my primer canes, because I am going to prune them a little differently. What kind of weed that is. I'm going to do them a little differently than I do the floor canes. So, but anyway, these are poncas. These are floor canes. But just don't take out anything that is alive. Don't take out anything that's green. I don't care what time of year it is, unless it's dead. Dead, dead, dead. Now, last time I pruned these, last time I pruned these, I went all the way down below the ground, and it kind of hurt them. So I'm gonna leave a couple of inches above the ground on this one. Just I don't know, something about it. Last time I pruned, too deep, too low, and it just stunted everything. It was like a year before they came back. They came back, but it was just a long time. So anyway, the moral is, don't prune out anything that ain't dead. I mean, stone cold dead. And this is the video that I'm going to refer people to when they ask me that from now on. Don't prune it out unless it's dead. Make sure it's dead. Got to be dead. And you can't go wrong. All right, I hope that helps you. And man, it's hot. It's 94 and climbing. Going to be 104, 105 today, like it has been for the last week or two. And man, these things are holding on pretty good, putting out new canes. That's new stuff right there. I need to fertilize. I'll come in here in the next week or two and give it a little fertilization, and that ought to help it grow even better, even more. I think that's it, man. We're inside now. We got to go, and we're gone.